welcome back to today's video. Today we're out here at Paula Raceway. Brandon over there got my bike good to go. New monster helmet, so we're gonna throw down today and do some motos with Hanstein, so it should be sick. The old monster helmet, other one I broke when I crashed at Anaheim. So we got a new one, got the YouTube sign, nice monster logo, Deegan and Dangerboy. Nice and big, my last monster helmet. The Dangerboy sign was about as big as that 6D sign. So now they enlarged it, so now you actually can see it. So to try it out on the track. Oh, you got competition. Hey, shut up going down the landing. Let's go.
Possibly the worst track I've ever ridden in my entire life. Oh, you're so monster now, dude. What's up?
Nice.
How you been?
Good.
Why aren't we riding at your house?
Let's ride there tomorrow.
I know, we should be there, not here. There's too many rusts for me, man. I'm not doing this stuff. I'm not out here to win an outdoor national.
What changes did you make to it?
We went back to the carburetor, and we had a 42 pounder, and went up to a 45, and adjusted the air screw, adjusted the idle a little bit, and he should be running a lot better for him. So, see what happens.
Track is pretty rough right now, and there's a lot of pros here today and stuff, getting ready for the national. So it's actually really rough, but the bike's good, and now it's just time to go do some motos.
Hayden's bike when we got here, just redid the top end on it.
Hey,
He was pinning it, and the thing would bog, so didn't feel like jetting. Felt like there was something in the bowl sucking into the main jet. So we checked that, and there's nothing in there. I checked all the connections, everything looked good. Just went to a richer pilot jet because it's hot out and bike might be starving for fuel. So today we have a new bike, a new 450. It's been a while, I've been waiting to get a new bike for a while. And I got a KTM 450, a new one, 2019 or whatever, and all black plastic and motor. Jamie did the motor and from Twisted Development, and the mapping and FMF got me a pipe and silencer, so that's cool. Pro power band suspension. We're gonna go out and ride. College fun. Right now there's a lot of people there. Track should be rough, so did a good little workout. It's been a pretty stressful last few weeks, so to get to come out and ride is something I really enjoy. And let's go out and try this bike out and see how it goes. We'll see how it runs. Nothing's funner than riding a new bike, so I'm stoked. After even 20, 30 years, it's still cool to get a new bike.
Set up the right, you can jump those bumps real good. On the right.
Bike's good. It's so fast. Like, you can only use like half the power, you know? It's like, you can't even pin it, man. At least I can't. Like, the track's rough as shit. It's so rough. Like, every time you get going, you're just like, good. So many bumps. Might have to go to the vet track to really feel the speed. No, it's all good. Bike's good. Suspension's a little funky, but get used to it. Put the ramp in the middle, I'll ride it up there. As long as the ramp doesn't fly back and hit me in the face. That'd be kind of funny, actually. Bike's sick, fun. Track's so rough right now. So the track's so tight and small, probably had a couple hundred bikes on it today. It's just so choppy and rough, but really fun. I mean, if you can just calm down and ride your pace, it's not bad. It's just hard when everyone's out there because everyone's hauling ass to kind of like work out a pace, but I don't know, it's fun now. Everyone's off the track, so I kind of got to just cruise and I like the bike. Bike's fast. I think we could have Jamie tweak the map a little bit. The thing's probably too fast, so probably calm it down a little bit. But yeah, it's good. It's fun. Get the suspension a little better, bouncing around a little bit, but you know, I'm pretty light on a 450, so I don't know. It'd be nice to build up my endurance again, ride a little more than one time every couple weeks. So let's load up and get out of here.